So in this video, we're going to have a look at issues you can have with the differential that can cause the car to pull to one side. It's typically manifest when you're accelerating, but we're just going to go through some steps of diagnosing the symptoms that can lead to this problem, just to help you to keep your car running in perfect condition and perfect order. So the differential apportions the power to each of the wheels. It needs to allow a little bit of slip between it, because as you're turning, you want one wheel to rotate more than the other wheel. The wheel on the inside of the radius you're turning through is rotating more slowly than the wheel on the outside. It has to cover a greater distance. So the differential plays quite an important job in distributing the power. So if the car's pulling to one side when you accelerate, that can be an indicator of a problem with the differential. Is sending too much power to the other side of the car, and the side that's getting the power will tend to push harder and the car will veer away from that wheel. So just make sure that the differential is in good condition. If it's an old car and it's got high mileage, it could well be that that differential has started to become worn. There could be other problems within the drive system. The constant velocity or CV joints themselves can become worn, and they can prevent easy rotation of the drive shaft against the hub, and that can create extra drag, causing the car to veer off in one direction. Please boot that like button, because that really does help us to get out there. Subscribe to the channel. We'd hate you to miss out on the great content we've got planned over the upcoming months through this year, and we would love you to stay tuned. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in this next video that I've lined up for you.